Have you guys heard of this authentic Jamaican hole-in-the-wall restaurant here in South Central? Well, let me put you on. Brimesbury Rum Cakes is an authentic Jamaican food spot that you're gonna want to come pay a visit to after you see all this good food that I had. This here is their curried goat plate, and she knows I'm Latina, so she said it's most comparable to a birria plate. Now, this just confirms that these hole-in-the-wall places is where the food and flavor is at. Because when I tell you that the flavor was there, y'all, this was so tender and bomb. My dad comes here all the time, so of course he also approved. But of course, as Latinos, we had to bring out some hot sauce. Now, everything here is Jamaican, from that hot sauce to all the drinks that I tried. And out of all of them, I gotta say that first mango drink was my favorite because it tasted like the Mexican Jumex juice. But there's more, y'all. Of course, I had to try some jerk chicken. Now, this is what was grilling in the beginning of this video and what caused people out to come here, because you can literally smell it all throughout the neighborhood. But that sauce right there, man, it just gives it a whole nother flavor. If you're wondering if they have oxtails, yes, they do, but that's a very common Jamaican dish, so I wanted to try other options. Like these Jamaican patties, for example. One was beef curry chicken and the other was jerk chicken. But this jerk shrimp plate right here was probably one of my favorites because of the flavor in that shrimp. I don't even think I gotta speak on much. You can see the flavor through the camera. And you know the shrimp is cooked well when you could just take it off in one bite. And speaking of one bite, this jerk pork right here just came right off the bone. No lie, y'all, everything so far is 10 out of 10. But I couldn't leave without having some dessert. This here is their bread pudding. And I loved how moist and flavorful it was. So now that I put you on, you know what to do. Come pay them a visit and follow me, just an LA girl, for more LA things.